Hey planner friends and planner newbies, my name is Carly from CJ Plans. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell button so you never miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, so the moment everyone has been waiting for. Let me just tell you something very quickly. I have been searching high and low for a mini happy planner set up for fall, and I didn't find anything. Everything I found was either a traveler's notebook or a ring bound planner. And I was just like, why hasn't anybody done, or I haven't seen a mini happy planner set up for fall? And I was like, you know what, I am gonna go ahead and set one up myself because I think it's so pretty, and this time of year it is like one of the best. It's not so hot, it's not so cold, and I live in Florida, so it's like it gets a little bit cooler but not like super cool, but it's still nice. It's nice to be outside, especially in the evenings. So I wanted to go ahead and set this bad boy up. If you watched my previous video, I did a quick review on these Pen & Gear Traveler's Notebook that I have turned into a cover for my mini happy planner. So if you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and link the previous video down below. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside here. This little charm, I went ahead and I did myself. I got these little charms, or this Minnie or Mickey ears. These Mickey ears, I got it from, actually wait, I can't remember where I got it from. I believe it was the Expo, the Sip and Swap that was in Orlando. They had it at the Expo, so I think I grabbed a few of these, and I went ahead and put it in as a charm, and I think it looks super cute. It just gives it a different like pop of color. I didn't want everything to be so gray and so neutral, so I wanted to just give it a little pop of color as well. And then I also made myself these charms as well to go ahead and put on the inside of my planner. So let's go ahead and look to see what is inside. So some of you already saw what is inside. This is the pretty cover I went ahead and made, and every time I look at it, I'm just like, oh, like I feel so like relaxed. And it looks so pretty. And I went ahead, and here I have a little pocket. I did cut out a vinyl and attached it to the inside cover. This is a coffee clip that I went ahead and put in here just to give it a little bit of color because I didn't want everything to be so neutral. So let me show you this. This is actually a little jelly scrap that I had left over from cutting some of the jellies that I have in my shop. And I went ahead and added some washi tape to it. And it sticks perfectly. I absolutely love it. And it looks so pretty tucked in here. So when I'm on the go, I can just go ahead and grab some washi and put it on my planner. So this is some paper that I did cut up. And it's just extra scrap paper. If I want to write a note or something so I don't forget, and a date or something, and I didn't want to add it to my planner because, you know, sometimes you just don't want to mess up your planner. You want to make it look pretty before you write in it, right? And then this is a jelly bow and a little tutu just added there, just give it a little color. And in here, I will have some of my stickers from my shop, some payday stickers, Target run, and early release days from my kids when I have to pick them up early, because sometimes I do forget we have early release days. So that's just a quick reminder. But let's go ahead inside so you guys can see what is inside. So on the inside, I went ahead and added a washi dashboard because it was all white. And I was like, well, I want to make it something pretty. So I went ahead and added some like gray and black washi tape to it. And I think it came out so pretty. And I have this jelly dashboard that I went ahead and covered the wrong girl. This was actually from one of the Happy Notes. I went ahead and cut her out, and then I put her into a cardstock. And I don't know, I just think she looks so pretty there. She's like, you know, and it goes with kind of like the theme, like, you know, fierce and fabulous, beautiful and brave. So I just thought it was kind of cute. And then she has kind of like some warm tones to her. So I went ahead and added her to the front of my to my cover. Then I went ahead and added some tabs. My tabs are monthly, I have weekly, I have daily, and my groceries. And let me take this pen out of here. And in my monthly, this is one of the dashboards. If you have one of the mini happy planners, I can't remember which one, but I know it's the one that has like different like what is it, like themed for each month. It has like something very pretty. So I went ahead and cut the tab off. You can kind of see the black in it. And then I went ahead and put a little dashboard behind my tab, just so that I know that it's September there. So when I open it, I know that this is the month of September. And it looks, you know, it kind of, the colors kind of coordinate together because you still have like the cream colors and the cool tones. And I really enjoyed making this with the pumpkins and the coffee and the hat and the leaves. And then in here, I put a little quote that says, "But I think I love fall most of all." So this was, I think one of my, it took me a while to make this, just like to make it look to where when I open it up, it looks pretty. I don't know why. I was just, I guess, I don't know. I was just having one of those days, I guess. And then here is the month of September. I haven't put anything in here yet. In my previous video, I had a different layout, but I just wanted to keep it plain just so I kind of know where the dates are and stuff like that. Because in my big happy planner, this is where I have everything. So basically anything that I need to transfer to my mini, I would just transfer it on the weekly and just kind of leave these dates kind of like clean and, you know, not too all everything just written on it. I just rather have that on my classic happy planner. I may put some washi tape or something just to kind of give it a little pop of color, but other than that, I really like just the simplicity of it. So then let me go ahead and show you the months. This is how I did the months. I went ahead and got some pictures off Pinterest and got some cardstock and just stuck it there with some washi tape. And this is how I'll know we are in the month of October. And then I basically just took, you know, an empty or undated happy planner, and I went ahead and cut the tabs off. You can still see like the shininess of it. I cut the tab off, and I'll go ahead and date it when I'm ready to start October. But I just thought it was just really, you know, simplified. Plus I have the tabs there and I didn't want it to like interrupt with the other tabs that I do have. So I just went ahead and cut it. And then let's see, I want to show you how I did November. So basically this is just the fall setup, which is September, October, and November. So this is what November looks like. Again, I went ahead and cut the tabs. I kept this background from one of the planners, and then I just added this with some washi tape at the top and just try to keep it super simple. And then we are here into my daily tab. And in here, I have a little note card that basically I just put a little sticker that says today is the day. If you're going to rise, you might as well shine. And I added some pumpkins on there. And then this would be my daily. So I will go ahead and write my dailies in here, what I have to do, if I have any errands to run or anything like that, that will go in here. I went ahead and printed out some of my own. I know that Happy Planner does have like the graph paper one, but I feel like they were so small. Let me see, I have it for my grocery list. They're so small, and I just prefer like the bigger graph boxes. So I went ahead and printed that out. I cut it to size, and I think it's gonna look very pretty once it's all like decorated and filled in and, you know, doing my daily tasks of the day. So then we're gonna go ahead and move to my groceries. In my groceries, this is where I pretty much, this is where I have attached my little charm into the back here, and then it just kind of stays there just to give it a nice look. I went ahead and added another jelly dashboard, and then this is pretty much where I'll have my groceries. I usually have my receipts in there. I staple my receipts, and then at the end of the week I'll just go ahead and remove it, and then that way I know how much I spent for groceries for that week and stuff like that. And then in the back, I left the cover that came with this planner, and I just tucked it in because you can't really, you know, see it too much. The only cover I changed was the front cover, which I really think went well with like the color of the Traveler's Notebook. I didn't remove the strings only because I will probably use it as a traveler's notebook eventually, but I want to just leave it in there because I didn't want to remove it. Plus that actually holds my charm in place. It actually holds my charm in place, so I just rather keep it that way. So yeah, guys, this is my setup. I'm absolutely loving it. I think that this would definitely work out for me. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more stickers in here just for when I'm on the go, and I am really just loving it. So tell me what you guys think on the comments down below. If you really like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.